Okay, we've got another question here. Wayne says, "What is a good resource to practice hands-on experience with firewall configs and deployment, SOC lab setups, cloud AD, and management?" So there's a few different
There's a lot
things that you're
there.
addressing. Yeah, there.
I
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
well,
PBL.
I would reach out. There's a lot of too many people. There's a lot of cohorts going on. People with academies and stuff. I think you need to find. I start because I'm an AWS guy. AWS has a lot of free labs you can sign up for in their training. I think if you pick out one of their certs, they can help you do that. You've got three different totally jobs on there. Firewall is a lot different in SOC, and that's a lot different in Cloud Active Directory and management. Once again, we've been talking about Active Directory. Um, Azure's got their part of that. So there's like three different jobs. So I would find somebody you're comfortable with. I don't want to get anybody specifically shout out, but I think Azure's got a lot of free labs and AWS got a lot of free labs to get your feet wet. I would look at the big from a SOC perspective, but it costs $1 billion of Splunk. I don't think Splunk does anything for free. So I would just kind of figure out what's the 800-pound gorilla in each one of those and just go find it.
Okay, so you've got a few things here. So firewall config. So what I did when I was trying to learn firewall was I went on I don't know if this is still valid, but this is what I did. So I went on, I think on eBay or Craigslist, and I got somebody's old firewall, Palo Alto firewall, and then I start messing around with that. That's one thing you can do. I'm not sure if you can still do that, but you could probably find a pretty cheap equipment, hardware. If you want to get your hands on the hardware, you can get it for cheap. If you could also do some configs if you want to mess around with the back end of firewall configs. There's some emulators that you could use.
Tracer
For,
packet. That's what I was thinking. Shout out to Network, bro. I'm being a lot of people's
yeah,
YouTube. He does network. What I used to do for him, whatever subject he was picking, I was sending the STIG the other day. But Tracer packet, you can do a lot of that stuff virtually. And from
yeah.
AWS stuff, they got a virtual firewall to control traffic. So I actually do a lot of my labbing for their firewall with their AWS firewall.
And then AD, Active Directory, like PBL said, you could use Azure. You can, I believe they have a free thing you can do for like 1 year, just like AWS. You can use for 1 year, and you can mess around with a Active Directory. I'm not sure if that part is free to mess around with that, but check on that one. And then SOC lab setup. There's a few different things you can do. Splunk there's a free version of Splunk you can load locally. There's a free version of it. So that's
Hey, real quick, AWS has a Cloud Trail and Cloud Watch. Once again, you can do that for
that's
free
right.
for a year. Then if you set up your EC2, you click a button, VPC logs, all that stuff will flow down to their SIEMs. Then you can load them up into the free Splunk and cut on their SOC and put it on top of MITRE. I think that's the differentiating. Because when you talk about those MITRE attacks, that's Russia, Cozy Bear, and I think that's the advanced feature for all that SOC type stuff.
Yeah, and another thing, what I used to do for fun, just messing around, is I would use this is not free. I would use VMware, and VMware has a VMware workstation where you can download different instances of operating systems, and then I don't know, you can run your own lab, do all kinds of stuff with that. So those are a few different things that you could do. But you named like 3 different things, so each one of those is pretty deep. I would choose one.
Yeah, I was going to say.
You're biting off way more than you could chew right there. That's a lot.
I don't do a lot of SOC work, and I don't do a lot of firewall work. From a federal space in both, that shout out to Larry. They got big teams that handle that by themselves.
Yes.
My job is I want to make sure I can assess it and comply, but I'm not. Cisco used to be the big thing. I think Palo Alto's taken over a little more though. But I have checks, I have assessments of how to do it, but that's a deep knowledge base. Firewalls on but that's like 4th on my list. Yeah, that's it. Like you said, those are 3 big, deep things to,
There's whole teams that do all 3 things.
Big teams. Big teams.
Yes, big teams. There's there's a whole firewall team, and that team is broken off into different. You might have a hardware firewall guy, and then a software firewall guy that sets up people's accounts, and then you are in rule sets and stuff. And then when you talk about SOC, that's a whole team of people doing SOC, and then the AD. Like those are three different teams
Yeah,
that
I would
you
pick
you
one
know.
of those, and
Yes.
I would pick one to be a SME and get good at. And then the other was to come in